Interest on debenture. Interest on debenture is generally paid half yearly. Sometimes it is paid quarterly, monthly, bi-monthly, or sometime annually. Interest on debenture paid by company is an expense, so it will be debited to profit and loss account. Interest on debenture has to be paid regularly, even if company is having loss, because debenture holders are creditors of company. Rate of interest payable on debenture is generally prefixed in advance. It is fixed in advance. For example, 9% debenture, here interest will be paid at 9% per annum on face value, nominal value of debenture. As per Income Tax Act, a company is required to deduct income tax at prescribed rate from gross amount of debenture. So before making payment to interest on debenture, company will have to pay tax to government as well. So this amount is to be deposited with Income Tax Department on behalf of debenture holder. And after deducting this tax amount, the net interest will be payable to debenture holder. This is called TDS, tax deducted at source. Whenever you are receiving any income on which tax is already deducted in advance, it is called TDS. While preparing final accounts for an accounting period, provision or effect must be made for accrued interest on debenture on different dates. Now, interest accrued and due. If a company pays interest on debenture half yearly on 30th June and 31st December, while preparing balance sheet on 31st March, if the interest for the period ending on 31st December 2017 remains unpaid, it will be called debenture interest accrued and due. Then interest accrued but not due. As per above, interest accrued and due, the interest on debenture for period from 1st January to 31st March will be called interest accrued but not due. Now let's take an example. Sinoy Limited issued 15,000 11% debenture of 100 each as on 1st April 2017. Interest on these debenture is paid on 30th September and 31st March. Our year is ending on 31st March. Past journal entries of the above transaction for the year ended on 31st March 2018, assuming income tax rate is 20% on amount of interest. So on 1st April when debentures are issued, entry will be bank account debited to debenture application and allotment. Excuse me. 15,000 debentures of 100 each. Then to 11% debenture. This is the entry at the time of issue of debenture. Now, entry for interest. Now, interest is paid on 30th September and 31st March. So, now on 30th September, half yearly interest, that is for 6 months. Now, entry will be interest on debentures. Since it is expense, it will be debited in books of company. Now, interest is payable to debenture holder, and on that tax is payable to government. So, debenture holder account will be credited. To TDS payable, or you can write income tax payable, one and the same thing. TDS means tax deducted at source. Now see. Total amount of interest for 6 months will be 15 lakh into 11% into 6 divided by 12. Rate of tax is 20%. So out of this, 20% will be calculated as tax. That is 16,500. So 66,000 is the amount of interest that will be payable to debenture holder. Okay. The next entry, when interest is paid. This is the above entry was interest was due. So debenture holders account debited. Instead of making separate entry, we can pass a combined entry. In textbook they have made separate entry, debenture holder to bank and TDS to bank. Instead of that, we can pass combined entry as well. Excuse me. Nothing है. So 66,000, 16,500, 82,500. Out of that, 20% tax. Now entry for payment. at the end of the year, the amount of interest which is expense for the business will be charged to profit and loss account. So entry will be statement of profit and loss account to interest on debenture. That is 82,500 two times. Or you can say 11% of 15 lakh. I am going to explain the topic which is very important right now. That is called redemption of debenture. When company is issuing debenture and when company is repaying the amount, that is redeeming the amount, at that time what entries will be passed in the books of company under different situations. One sum will be definitely asked from this topic based on journal entry. Entries for redeemable debenture. Now, entry at the time of issue. Entry at the time of redemption. At the time of actual payment is made. Now, first situation. Debenture issued at par and redeemable at par. Means 100 rupees debenture is issued at 100 rupees and company will refund 100 rupees as well. So company is issuing debenture at nominal price and repaying it at nominal price 100. Then at the time of issue, entry will be bank account debited to debenture application and allotment. Debenture application and allotment account debited to debenture 100. Now, when company decide to redeem the debenture, so now debenture account will be debited, which was earlier credited. Debenture and amount will be payable to debenture holder. So debenture holders account will be credited. 100, 100. Now when debenture holders are actually paid, debenture holder to bank, 100, 100. Clear? Now, debenture issued at premium and redeemable at par. Means 100 rupees debenture was issued at 120 and company will repay 100. So, entry will be bank account debited, to debenture application and allotment, 120, 120. Debenture application and allotment account debited, 120. To debenture account, 100. To security premium reserve, 20. Now, at the time of redemption, same entry, debenture to debenture holder, 120. Sorry, 100. Because debenture are redeemable at par and debenture holder to bank, same, 100. Clear? No. Debenture issued at discount, and redeemable at par. Suppose 100 rupees debenture is issued at 90 rupees, 10% discount, and will be redeemable at 100 rupees. So company will receive 90 and will pay 100. Bank account debited, to debenture application and allotment, 90, 90. Debenture application and allotment account debited, 90. Discount on debenture account debited, 10. To debenture. Then at the time of redemption, at the time of payment, same entry. Debenture to debenture holder, 100. and debenture holder to bank 100. Now debenture issued at par and redeemable at premium. Company is issuing debenture as 100 rupees, so company will receive 100 rupees and company will pay 110. That is 10 rupees will be paid extra at the time of redemption. Okay, that is called premium or redemption of debenture. The extra amount paid is called premium or redemption of debenture. Now, bank account debited to debenture application and allotment 100. Debenture application and allotment 100. Then loss on issue of debenture, that extra rupees 10 payable, that is loss on issue of debenture. To debenture 100 and to premium on redemption of debenture, that is 10. Now entry at the time of payment. So here you have to debit these two amounts. Debenture account debited 100 premium or redemption of debenture account 10 to debenture holder 110 and debenture holders to bank 110. Okay. Issued at premium and redeemable at premium. 100 rupees નો debenture company 110 થી issue કરે અને 115 થી redeem કરે. When company is issuing, it will receive 110. When it will pay 150. Bank account debited to debenture application and allotment account 110. debenture application and allotment account debited 110. Loss on issue of debenture, the extra 5 rupees that company is going to pay at the time of redemption, that is 5 rupees to debenture, its face value. Debenture will be always credited with the amount of face value, nominal value 100. To security premium reserve 10. To premium on redemption of debenture, that is 5. Now at the time of redemption, debenture account debited, premium on redemption account debited, to debenture holder and debenture holder to bank. Now last situation. Issued at discount, redeemable at premium. 100 rupees debenture company is issuing at 90 and will redeem it at 120. So at the time of issue, company will receive 10 rupees less than the face value. At the time of redemption, company will pay 20 rupees more than the face value. Bank account debited, to debenture application and allotment account 90. Bank debenture application and allotment account debited 90. Discount on debenture account debited 10. ₹20 that will be payable extra at the time of redemption. Loss on issue of debenture 20. To debenture 100. To premium on redemption of debenture 20. Then at the time of redemption, same entry. Debenture account debited 100. Premium on redemption of debenture account debited 20. To debenture holder 120. And at the time of payment, debenture holder to bank 120. चलो illustration 12 write journal entries for the issue of debenture આપણે issue ની આપણે ત્રણ એન્ટ્રી કરીશું issue redemption અને payment ત્રણે ઓકે ફર્સ્ટ કેસ શું છે issued 5000 10% debenture of 100 each at par redeemable at par and 100 rupees debenture issued at 100 and will be redeemed at 100 date નથી આપી તો 1 2 3 4 entry will be bank account debited to debenture application and allotment 5000 into 100 then debenture application and allotment to %10 debenture. Clear? This was entry at the time of issue. Now at the time of redemption. %10 debenture account debited to debenture holder. Five lakh. And at the time of payment, debenture holder's account debited to bank. Five lakh. Now, second case. 5000 10% debentures of 100 each issued at discount of 5% redeemable at par. 100 rupees no debenture issued at 95 and will be redeemed at 100. Bank account debited to debenture application and allotment. $5,000 into 95, 4,75,000. Debenture application and allotment account debited discount on debenture or debenture discount, one is the same thing, debited to %10 debenture. discount will be 5 rupees per debenture. 5% of 100, that is 5 rupees per debenture. So 5,000 into 5, 25. Debenture 5,000 into 100, that is 5. Now at the time of redemption, redeem at par. %, debenture account debited to debenture holders. Debenture holders to bank. Five lakh. Now third situation. Debenture of 100 issued at premium of 8% and redeemable at par. 100 rupees of debenture 108 में issue करा जाए and 100 redeem कर सकते. Bank account debited to debenture application and allotment. 5,000 into 108. So 5 lakh 40. Debenture application and allotment account debited to 10% debenture issued at premium. So to security premium reason. Clear? Now, at the time of redemption, redeemed at par. So, same entry as above. %, debenture account debited. To debenture holder. At the time of payment, debenture holder bank. Debenture issued at par and redeemed at premium. On 1/8/2017, Namaskar Limited issued 8,009% debenture of 100 each at par. These debentures are to be redeemed on 31st July 2022 at 120 per debenture. So first entry on 1st August 17, bank to debenture application and allotment 8,000 into 100, 8 lakh, 8 lakh. Then they are to be redeemed at 120, that is premium. So debenture application and allotment account debited 8 lakh. Loss on issue of debenture, the extra 20 rupees payable, that is 8,000 into 20, 1,60,000. To 9% debenture, 8,000 into 100, that is 8 lakh. And premium on issue of debenture, that is 1,60,000, which was debited in loss. Loss and premium on redemption will be always same. Then at the time of redemption on 31st July 2022, 9% debenture account debited 8 lakh. Premium on redemption of debenture account debited 1,60,000 to debenture holder 9,60,000, and debenture holder account debited to bank account 9,60,000, 9,60,000. આ ટાઈપનો સમ પૂછાય એક્ઝામમાં કોઈ એક કન્ડિશન અથવા ત્રણ કન્ડિશન પૂછે તો પછી બધી એન્ટ્રી ના પૂછે, કાં તો ઇશ્યુ ની પૂછે, કાં તો રિડમ્પશન ની પૂછે. 4 marks. On 1/4/2017, Pratna Limited issued 6,011% debenture of 100 each at a discount of 5%. 100 rupees debenture was issued at 95, 5 rupees discount, 100 na 5%. All the debenture are to be redeemed after 6 years on 31st March 2023 at a premium of 10%. So 100 rupees debenture issued at 95 and will be redeemed at 110. So bank to debenture application and allotment on 1st April, 6,000 into 95, 5,70,000. Then debenture application and allotment account debited 5,70,000. Discount on debenture account debited 6,000 into 5 per debenture, that is 30,000. Loss on issue of debenture, 100 rupees debenture will be redeemed at 110. So extra 10 rupees is loss on issue of debenture, 6,000 into 10, 60,000. To 11% debenture, any face value 6,000 into 100, that is 6 lakh. And to premium on redemption of debenture, 6,000 into 10. Then 11% debenture account debited, premium on redemption account debited to debenture holder 6,60,000 and 6,60,000, and debenture holder to bank 6,60,000, 6,60,000. Issued at premium, redeemable at premium. On 1/6/17, Vandana Limited issued 10,008% debenture of 100 each, 200 each, sorry, at a premium of 5%. 200 no debenture 210 થી ઇશ્યુ કરે, 5% of 200, બરાબર. અહીંયા ફેસ વેલ્યુ 200 છે. Debenture are to be redeemed on 31st May 2022 at 120 per debenture. So bank account debited to debenture application and allotment. At the time of issue, company will receive 210 per debenture. So 10,000 into 210, that is 21 lakh. Then on 1/6/17, debenture application and allotment 21 lakh. Loss on issue of debenture, company is going to pay 20 rupees more at the time of redemption. So 10,000 into 20, that is 2 lakh. To 8% debenture, 10,000 into 200. To security premium reserve, the 10 rupees extra received at the time of issue, 5% of 200, that is 10,000 into 10, 1 lakh. And premium on redemption of debenture 2 lakh. 8% debenture account debited 20 lakh. Premium on redemption of debenture account debited 2 lakh to debenture holder 22 lakh. And debenture holder account debited to bank account 22 lakh, 22 lakh. Clear? Very good. હા તો અલગ જ ને, એટલે તો અલગ લખ્યું. સિક્યોરિટી પ્રીમિયમ રિઝર્વ મીન્સ તમે જ્યારે ઇશ્યુ કરો છો અને જે તમને એક્સ્ટ્રા મળે છે, ધેટ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ સિક્યોરિટી પ્રીમિયમ. અને જ્યારે તમે રિડીમ કરો છો અને વોટ યુ આર એક્સ્ટ્રા પેઇંગ, ધેટ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ પ્રીમિયમ ઓન રિડમ્પશન.